to contact that 1. Uh-oh.
Well,
Lulusot ba yan? Mukhang lulusot, ha?
hard to say, pero mukhang kombinasyon. Pero kahit na medyo na benta nila yung 1 ball dito, problema pa rin yung 4 na nakadikit sa 8. Kaya may chance pa makabalik dito si Dio Careza.
Let's see how Arpilleda can handle this.
Lusot naman
he does.
pala. Yes,
He
tama
does.
ka, Mark.
He cheats the pocket to pocket that 1. And now the table is wide open for the taking para sa Manila MSW Mavericks.
Now they need to think of an angle, to set up an angle from the 3 ball para ma-break itong 8 and 4. Probably a stun, basta may angle. Yun, just like that. And then 2 rails, cue ball will eventually hit that 4 and 8. Taking this red 3 into the side pocket.
Breaking this 4-8 lock here will be crucial para dito kay Kenneth Arpilleda.
Breaking the balls. Hang on.
Hindi.
Okay. So instead,
safety.
instead na i-risk nila na ipaghiwalay yung 4 and 8, nakitaan lang nila na lock na lang itong cue ball against the 8 ball.
Wala ko, binulungan ni Jonas magpantay yung cue ball.
May ganun. Just like that.
Great shot.
Wag lang papasok.
Wag lang papasok. Sakit sa ulo yan.
Yun.
So that's a big problem para dito kay Cap Edgy Geronimo. The 8 ball is totally blocking any possible shot on the 4. But again, if you're gonna give any player a chance to complete a kick shot, Edgy Geronimo is one of the best in the business.
So let's see, very crucial shot ito na manggagaling kay Captain Edgy. Oh,
No chance at all.
yeah, hirap talaga nung naiwang tira sa kanya. Coach Jonathan also joining us over at Facebook. Sabi dito, AJ, what will be your fearless forecast? Which team will win this? Medyo
Ooh.
mahirap ang
Mahirap pa.
katanungan,
Ang
Coach
aga
Jo.
pa eh, oh.
Masyadong maaga. And we're gonna have a playoff, no?
Yes.
Playoffs very soon.
Yes, we're gonna have a playoff here. Of course, yung 1 and 4, 2 and 3 ang magtatapat. But at this point, we still do not know who those teams will be.
Yun, of
Dahil
course.
next week, magtatagpo pa po ang Taguig at ang Makati and anything can happen after that one.
That's right.
So stay tuned. It will be a very interesting second half of the year para dito sa ating SBA Season 2.
Wow. So before mag-finals, may tagisan pa muna.
Mm-hmm. So medyo napa-head-on lang, napalakas yung tira.
Yeah. Para sa side pocket sana itong 6 ball. Still, kaya pa naman, pero kailangang magpitik or i-bounce yung cue ball from the short rail back for the 7. Wag lang masyadong malakas din. Pero yun, binaksakan na lang pala.
Perfect pace here. And now, the question is, magko-contact ba yung cue ball sa 9? Baka mahirapan bumaba sa 8. Let's see how they will evade it. Goes
Yun.
around.
Short side position. Perfect.
Perfect. And with that, it's looking good.
Okay. So far,
You notice matapang ako ngayon.
so good.
Yan.
Napakadali naman na kasi.
Yan.
Kaya nire-request nila mga kahit 5 balls na natitira sa mesa.
Doon nagkakadisgrasya eh. Pag sinabi na natin it's safe to say, tapos sabihin mong, kasi naman ang dali na nito.
Ayun.